In this video, I will show you how to print a contacts list from Google Contacts. Once you're on the Google Contacts dashboard, you will then see the contact list. In this list, select all the contacts you want to print by clicking the checkboxes next to their names. You can select all contacts shown or just a specific group. Once your selection is finalized, look to the top right of the screen and click on the three dots, the More Actions menu. From the drop-down list, click on Print. A pop-up window will then show, allowing you to select which details to include with the contacts. Once satisfied with the details, then click on Print. The system will then generate a print preview of your selected contacts. You will now see the preview of your print. You can double-check it for formatting before confirming the output. You can now then review it and see options for printing, which usually include selecting your printer, paper size, and the number of copies. Then click on Save. And that's how to print a contacts list from Google Contacts.